Okay, so this is my ACTIVEON package. Charge cable. I know it's a little blurry, but my phone is being retarded. Charge cable. I got the housing, waterproof, extra battery, the camera, and I got a little attachment thing here that I might send with it. But I'm going to revisit this action cam. I used it exclusively in 2018. It is a great action cam. The sound is a little bit corny and the videos are a little shaky, but it does do a pretty good job. I don't think they're sold anymore. So first come, first serve. But we're going to go ahead and take it out on a test drive here and see how it is performing. After all these years, I still have the original protective thing on it too. Okay, this is the face. This is the charge port, SD card slot. You can see it's a super micro USB and a high definition. I forget which one it is that is the charge. I believe it's the bigger one is what charges the battery. These are the buttons for controlling it. One of them is an on switch and then the other one is a record switch. This little panel underneath here, you slide that out. You have to take this off and you can change the battery. So changing the battery is about as cumbersome as the GoPro. You have to take everything apart to get to it. Alright, it looks like I have like no battery on this because I had it out in the cold. So I'm going to go roll down this. Just to give you an idea what the ACTIVEON looks like. I believe I have a lower SD card in there. Oh, I don't know if I want to do that. I'm like, crap, there's snow there. He said, well, now you know. It is a sloppy mess right now. My tires, it's just like, I don't know if you can hear that. We're revisiting the ACTIVEON action cam. This was the action cam I had when the bike was brand new. I will be selling it, and there will be lots of videos around this, but I'm just taking it out for a test drive. 11 minutes to make it up the cemetery climb. My favorite climb, off season. Obviously it's still snow on the ground. Beautiful day. I tried to do some ski slopes, sledding hills, really crazy ones with this, and it was all messed up. So I'm taking it out and letting everybody see what it looks like here and now. The sound and video are farly inferior to the GoPro, but it gets the job done, and for security purposes or shorter rides, this camera is actually pretty cool. I have 2 batteries for it too. But I am actually not even burned out on that climb, which is absolutely amazing. I've actually been staying in shape. I'm on my old bike today. I can officially say this is the old bike now. Isn't that crazy? Okay, so here's the drop, which I will not be doing today. I just think it's going to be too soft. But that's the drop that starts my downhill. Anyways, I'm just out having fun. And I'm doing a lot of biking today. This is about my 12th or 13th ride of the year, 2022. And what else can I say? Any noise from the strap? I got a side strap bag with me today because somebody stole my backpack. Kind of stupid. I mean, it was there at the end of its life anyways, but still, it's like, seriously? Oh, look at that. Maple syrup. That's pretty cool. I've been seeing a lot of those. There's another one over there. So there is the chest harness that I use. It's a Garmin chest harness with a riser. That's what that blue thing is. So this sits on my chest, and this comes up underneath my chin. This is set up the old way. Now I'm doing it upside down for the cameras down here. Send that with one of these cameras, probably the ACTIVEON. You see the little screw here. So the ACTIVEON unfortunately sits like this, and it kind of goes like this. It's off center. I don't know why it's off center, but the ProScan is actually on there pretty tight. I got a washer in there, rubber washer, and we're going to go out and just see what this looks like. But you can see what the GoPro looks like compared to these as well in this video.